In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in PayPal. This is really useful if your account is showing in a language you're not comfortable with, or if you've moved to a different country and want PayPal to match your new language preferences. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in, and once you're in, you should land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page where you usually see your balance, recent activity, and any notifications. Make sure you're on this main overview screen before continuing, because that's where we'll access the settings. Next, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. It's usually right next to the log out option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open your account settings area, where you can control things like your profile, security, payments, and of course, language. Once the settings page loads, take a moment to look for a section called Account Options, or something very similar. The layout can change slightly over time, but this section is typically easy to spot. Inside this area, you should see a drop-down menu for language. This drop-down shows your current language, and when you click on it, it will display all the available languages you can switch to. Click on the language drop-down and a list of different languages will appear. Scroll through the options carefully and find the language you want PayPal to use. When you see your preferred language, simply click on it to select it. In many cases, the change will save automatically, but if you see any kind of save or confirm button, make sure to click that as well. After you've chosen your new language, PayPal may refresh the page, or you might need to navigate back to your dashboard to see the change take effect. Once it reloads, the interface, menus, and labels should now appear in the language you selected. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser or signing out and signing back in. And that's all you need to do